I recently just found out that you can use Git to send emails. It's crazy how much is built into this thing, actually. But that's not the topic of the video. Oh, I'm supposed to go to bed right now. I'll make this a quick one. Topic of the video is that I was going to switch to Emacs, but I decided that that was way too much work and it's way too big of a program. And I also got sidetracked when I was reading this manual, and actually another manual, OSA compile. You know, that's a command that is built into Mac OS and gives you access to the AppleScript language, which is quite a powerful little scripting language, actually. And I kind of got sidetracked. I was working on, I was trying out this script editor program, and I was doing a little fizz-buzz because that's basically the extent of my programming ability. And I was just astounded at how bad this program is. Apple truly managed to make like an absolute monstrosity in software. So first of all, the light theme, the theme going on here in general is horrible. Second of all, I can't zoom in. I'm not keycasting right now, but if I were, yeah, I cannot zoom in. You can see I'm desperately trying. However, I can trackpad zoom. I can scroll with my trackpad in typical Apple fashion. And, oh, wow, what are those visual artifacts? I did not see those before. That's weird. I hope that showed up on the recording, because that was very strange. Wow, you can get this kind of small. Now I'm lost. Okay, then the other really bad thing is select like this and then hit delete. What would you expect? This whole area to be deleted, right? Okay, that is what happened. But if I select like this and then delete, okay, that's also still what happened. Delete fully. What if I paste this? Okay, here we go. So I paste and you see the tree sitter, whatever, shit the bed. Now if I try to delete, it deletes the first the first two lines. And then if I delete again, it fully deletes it. But yeah, I'm not exactly sure what's up with that. And there's a few different buttons this ships with. The record button, record a script, okay, so maybe that's recording actions. Run the script and compile the script. If I run the script, then we get all the syntax highlighting. Didn't really output all that much. If I put this into the latest and greatest AI assistant, let's see if that pasted correctly. Yep, I'm gonna have to fall back to the brain on this one, unfortunately. But I had to move myself out of the way to show that this can also support the JavaScript language, which kills the formatting if you switch to, but that's okay. Okay, so that's big. Can we do like a macro? Nope, you cannot record when you're using JavaScript. Okay, so that kind of makes sense, I guess. Does that mean, so if can we command slash to comment this out? No, we cannot. All right, I'll speed this part of the video up. Or maybe I won't, I don't know. Okay, this isn't going too slowly anymore. I got the hang of this. Too bad there's no period key to repeat. Console, oops, .log, hello world, exclamation mark. Okay. Undefined. Good thing I can use my trackpad to zoom in on that. Can I open a side panel? Why is that grayed out? Font. Check this out. Check out the right-click method. You can insert stuff. Look at this flickering. Tell system events. Wow. There's a lot of things you can do in this, actually. Maybe I shouldn't make fun of it. Speech. You gonna let me hover? Start speaking. Please let me hover on that. Please. Come on. Hello? Does this work? Alright, it appears that does nothing. Maybe it's an AppleScript feature? Oh. We lost the script editor. Man. This seems like a well-developed operating system.